Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enter into safe mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to power off menu. To go to power off menu, go to the notification area and click on power off icon here and power off menu appear. Otherwise, press power button and volume down button together to have power off option and power off menu will appear. Okay, so after having the power off menu, just long press on power off button here and then safe mode will appear. Okay, tap once again to restart your phone in safe mode. Okay, again you go to tap on safe mode here and your phone will be rebooted and it will be restarted and enter into safe mode. See here, now phone is being restarted. Just wait. After entering into your phone, you will see that you are in safe mode. Okay, just wait. Samsung Galaxy logo appeared and yes, to enter into your phone you need to put your pattern for authentication. Now see in the bottom left side, it is printed that safe mode. Okay, so you are in safe mode. Okay, in this way you can easily enter into safe mode whenever it is needed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.